Jonathan Alexander Hayes will face upwards to 19 years behind bars. The November 2016 crash took the life of 2-year-old Mason Richardson. Hayes' defense argued that there was no evidence that he had overdosed or was high on opioids at the time of that crash. Prosecutors say Hayes recklessly endangered the public and needed to be revived on scene with Narcan. He was sentenced to 15 to 19 years in prison. The family of Mason Richardson speaking out after the verdict and sentencing just this afternoon. Andrew James joins us now live in studio with more on their reaction. It is our big story at 11.
Amanda, the deadly crash led to a family's life changing forever. It led to a memorial sitting along a busy Wilmington road. Now it's led to a murder conviction and what Mason's family tonight is calling justice.
My heart is still broken. I'm going to continue to honor my baby, but we today got justice for Mason.
Alexandria Williams does not have the chance to see her baby grow up.
It's been a long 2 years.
Instead, she gets to see the man accused of killing her child face a jury and their verdict.
We know that today was State versus Jonathan Hayes in that courtroom, but for us, it was always about giving Mason his day in court.
Mason Richardson was 2 when he died in a car crash. The driver that struck him in his mother's car was Jonathan Alexander Hayes. Authorities say he was overdosing and revived with Narcan at the crash scene.
In 60 seconds, my life changed.
Hayes has been convicted of second-degree murder in the deadly crash.
And I am more than grateful for everything that occurred today, and I'm happy with the outcome.
Hayes' family visibly upset with the verdict, but they did not speak to us after court was let out. What happened can't bring Mason back. 2 families, now forever scarred. It's left a man now behind bars and now a mother on a new mission.
I can just focus on Mason and being an advocate for DWIs and drunk driving, all of those type of things. That right there is something positive I want to do from my loss. I want to do something positive with that for my Mason.
Hayes' defense said he did not act maliciously in causing that crash. The New-Hanover-County Sheriff's Office, though, told us he had been arrested more than a dozen times before that fatal day. Amanda?